that's something to gauge also with every relationship. Are you at that level? Like, are you at the remedial type shit? Or are you at some undergrad studies? Like, how much do I gotta grow you up? If we can't even talk about these basics, same type shit you're talking about, the communication was horrible. I wanted to let you know I got your message. I'm tied up with this, but I'll hit you up as soon as I can. She texts back, huh? What part of my communication was confusing? It's like, yeah, but I don't know what you just said. It's like, got it. I'm like, oh, we're on different links. She was in the first week of them like 3 weeks ago, and I have not picked up the phone to call yet. She's on that list of women I could call, but it just disqualified. That, by my masculine lead, by my containment, I'm responsible. That, I don't know, gimp-legged calf, before I let you in this fence as the shepherd, and I'm responsible for your ass. I need you to have a full coat, sturdy, we keep a pace over here. It's a powerful space though, because truly, right, by the dynamics, somebody's got to put on the masculine. Truly, masculine and feminine dance, that is the value that masculine brings. This thankless job of keeping us together in the boundaries. Feminine brings absolute value and is the more powerful energy. The in tune, the spirit, the harmony, the pussy, everything that flows from feminine is valuable. And somebody's got to put on the lead. Somebody's got to make the choices. Somebody's got to do the hard work. And inside of that value is a fucking honor. That's our badge. It's not in the form of dick and sex, because they don't need dick and sex like that. They need provision. They need resources. They need a masculine lead to provide them life to step into. And that's what we create and stand by with our honor, our integrity, and our commitment by our fucking efforts.